Yeah, the suitcases are just going on now. Yeah, we've got the pilots here now of the plane today. So they just scanned the passports and the boarding passes. We're now going to head on to going onto the plane. Welcome back to a brand new video, and on this video I'm going to show you us boarding the plane. So we're going to board the plane from Manchester Airport on Terminal 2 here, and we're heading for gates A1. So this is what it looks like at Manchester Airport and Terminal 2, and so we're going to board the plane on this one, A1. So this is the view that we can see from here as we go down here. I'll just give you a little view of this. So yeah, let's head on down here, and we've got a big long path to walk as such.
Jet2.com flight LS931 to Malta to come for
the moving walkway's not working here. So yeah, I've got this giant long walkway here. I do apologise to the person speaking over the top of me.
Have a lovely holiday.
So obviously getting all these announcements as we're going down here. We'll just keep it rolling, just show you what it's like. As I say, it's all interesting stuff. And let's have a look down here. The planes today are taking off towards the north. So they are going north out of Manchester. The wind direction is the north. So yeah, I always enjoy this bit. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the vibe of going away or what. I don't know. I just enjoy doing this because I do come up to Manchester and see the planes taking off. So I do enjoy this. But there isn't a lot to see just at the minute. So we'll carry on and show you a bit more in a second when there's something to see. Yeah, someone being a bit silly. Look at this. So it's great to be able to get these this close to the planes from the outside. As you can see, they just put the cases on now. He's just closing the door there. Look. Yeah, the door's shut. Look at that. There you go. And we'll carry on a bit more. So yeah, some more luggage going in that one now. Just there. But I must carry on because I've got a plane to catch. I've got one here. This could be the one that we're boarding. So got all the buses here. Loads and loads of buses just here. And you can see where it's just starting to rain just before we leave. So yeah, this is the plane that we're going to board, and it won't be long till we do board this plane. You can see the pilots there just in the front. It's got the initials KS written on it. So yeah, this is the plane that we're gonna board, and the catering's by Denata Catering. This one, and got a little van there, Denata written on it.
Jet2.com flight LS837 to Cos. Final call for passengers Kelly,
Just gone in there.
Whitman,
It's like the catering's just about
and
to
Noah.
go and
Make
see
way for
what it is.
immediate boarding at gate D4. That's Delta 4.
So yeah, this is the plane that we're going to board shortly. So this is just on the other side, and that's that walkway that we walked down.
To Hania. Final call for passengers Kendrick, McLaughlin, Willie,
Gate Gourmet.
and Klopp to make way for immediate boarding at gate A5. That's Alpha 5.
Yeah, that's that walkway we walked down just at the start of the video. We actually got a car park just behind it there, I can just see. It's a big car park there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jet2.com flight LS1751
So
Squadron would like to invite those.
You can just see the cases coming off from the previous people that have been on this plane. So yeah, the changeover is rapid, isn't it? Here. So yeah, this is obviously the fueling device here going into the plane. That's the catering side. Yeah, the cases are just coming off now, and obviously they'll reload with the cases that are going on. So yeah, all interesting stuff going on here. Yeah, we've got the pilots here now of the plane today. You can see the cases are being unloaded here from the previous passengers. Yeah, the suitcases are just going on now, and people are starting to go towards the end of the back of the plane and take the seats. And, there you go. Yeah, you can just see people starting to board the plane and gingerly walk on the plane here. So they just scanned the passports and the boarding passes. We're now going to going onto the plane. This is what we see these days as we walk down here. We've got lifts and all the caboodle for people that can't walk very good or disabled. And we're on platform A1, so we'll just head down the steps here. So this is how it looks down here. You see the plane here from this side, and yeah, we're just onboarding the plane now, and yeah, look at this here, pretty cool. Hello. So this is how it looks like on the plane, and yeah, there's plenty of seat room, and this is how it looks like outside.
Well, if you have just joined us, a very good evening. Welcome aboard your 2 flight short departing to Ibiza. So to get moving as quickly as possible, we actually place your hand luggage just be seated in front of you.
The safety
items can go into event compartment.
we have here,
directly above your seat, please choose the nearest one available.
all the safety things,
row and the whole of row 15 and 16.
got a shop here.
All hand luggage and loose items need to be placed into event compartments, and make sure nothing's blocking the aisles or emergency exits. And if we do actually leave the aeroplane, quickly leave all luggage behind. Now once you find your vacancy, we'd ask that you just stand in from the aisle to allow you fellow customers to board, then select flight mode on all your electronic devices in preparation for takeoff. Large electronic devices like laptops, must be switched off and packed each hand luggage along with any bottles or heavy items.
Red arrows.
Very shortly, the
Watch.
pilots will introduce themselves. They're going to give you more information.
Yeah, so.
They're going to give you more information about our flight routing
Jack
shortly. In the
Daniels,
meantime, can we
St Remy.
direct your attention to the safety briefing card in the seat box in front or beside you, just so you can
352.
familiarise yourself with our onboard procedures. Now, very shortly you will hear cabin crew boarding complete, and we do have a number of empty seats on today's flight, but it's really important that you do stay in your
Got a coffee
allocated
as well,
seat
let's have a look
that
at this.
is on your boarding card to
Prices
take
of
off.
these as
And
well.
once again for landing, as
So
the
an all-day
aircraft has been
breakfast,
trimmed to
£10,
full
mac
weight
and
and
cheese,
balance before you
£8.50.
take off the floor. So
Pasta
once
and
again, please do
meatballs,
not move
£8.50.
into any empty seats unless
Ham
you're
and
moved
cheese.
by the cabin crew. Thank you.
Croquet, toasty, 584, skinny fries, £3.9, Haribo, £2, millionaire muffin, £3.20, not bad price. And yeah, some wine there. So yeah, just showing you different things, how much things are. There you go, £5.85 for Coppenberg, a can of Coppenberg. Yeah, so that's what it's like here on the plane. I am going to love you and leave you on this one, and please, if you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again on the next one. So goodbye from me, from Manchester Airport on the Boeing 737-800 TUI aircraft, and goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget
to like,
subscribe.
and hit the little bell for all notifications.